What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. Today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts. So let's get into it. All right, well, the problem is here is all these downspouts need to be running out. We're going to be running this one out, coming straight down to here. We're going to take these two, tie them in together, tie them into this, go over here, and then go all the way down behind the pool over here, so that way the water can then pop up, facilitate out, and then go easier to the lake. The problem they have right now is all the water's coming all down, building up against their pool here, and it's starting to make it offset and sink on one side. So we're going to go ahead and eliminate that from happening. So let's get started. And here we go. We now have it all completely dug out. Just got to make sure we have the correct grade, but everything is dug out where it should be. We've got it all going down. We can already see before I even pipe anything, we're completely down at a level. So as soon as everything hits that corner, it's just going to jettison all the way down here towards the end, where we're going to have the pop-up with a mini drywall underneath it. So that way all the water will come here, build up, facilitate out, and then be able to filter and go to the pond. Or should I say the little lake that's back here. So let's get piping. All right, and here we go. Everything is completely piped out. You see over here, we're completely downhill to level because we had a nice slope to do it. Go all the way down here towards the back. Where we start off. We're starting off over here, downhill to level. Everything's gonna go, go, go. Come over here, pick this downspout out. We got the directional tee in there to help the flow go exactly where we want to go. We're downhill to level here. Everything keeps going. And we start slightly going more downhill to level here. And then when we hit this corner, since we had great slope, we are extremely all the way downhill, all the way down. That way all the water is going to come down, keep coming, extremely all the way downhill, all the way down here to the end, where we're going to have the pop-up. We got everything burrito wrapped. Make sure you have rock down there in the filter cloth. Water comes down, builds up to mini drywall. When that fills up, facilitates up, over, and then it'll drain to the pond. Now, the backfill and show you everything how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system. Put the hose and the downspout furthest away, but since this one right here goes extremely downhill, I decided to go ahead and put it over here where we just have it downhill to level. Sadly, our hose here doesn't have a whole lot of pressure coming out, but it's going to do it. So everything goes in there, comes down, goes this way, 90s, and then it's going to come all the way down here towards the end to the mini drywall. So now we're just waiting for the water to come here, and then it'll start building up the mini drywall. And you can hear it right now. It's coming, it's coming. It's got to go like 80 feet, so it's taking a minute. And here we go. All the water starts to come down, starts to build up inside the mini drywall. Once this little mini drywall maxes out, then it's all just going to continuously build up and then overflow. And this is also how you clean out the system. You put the hose in the downspout, and with the slope and everything, as you can see, anything at all in the pipe ends up coming and getting pushed all the way down at the end. Now we just wait for it to overflow. And here we go, just like that. Right now we only have hose pressure. In an actual rain event, this thing will be cranking and pushing out water a lot. But now the water's gonna come out, facilitate over, come down, and then go to the pond. What's left will be able to drain back into the ground through the mini dry well. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.